Hello, today we are going to see how to integrate the template CURL through API in any external system. So the basic need on why we will do this is, let's say in case if we have approved a message template, we will be able to trigger it through external sources. Let's say if you have a billing software or a CRM software or any kind of application with an API integration, we can integrate our message templates CURL with that content, so that whenever we are triggering that API from the external source, that message template content will get triggered to the targeted WhatsApp number. To do that, so I'm going to the manage templates option here. So in here we see there are many content. So among one of these content, we are going to trigger a message content now. To do that, first we have to select the run in Postman on the top right. This will redirect us to a documentation page, and these are all the documents that will be uploaded into the Postman. So again on the top right, we will be able to find run in Postman again. We have to select it, and in this I am selecting Postman Web. So among this I am selecting sign in with Google, and in here we are able to find honest@nettyfish.com. Basically I am going to connect my Gmail account with Postman to log into the account. So yeah, inside Postman I'm selecting selecting a workspace here. I'm selecting my workspace, and I'm selecting import. So only after I'm selecting this import, my Postman documentation will be imported. So you can see the documentation has been imported. This is our documentation, WBox WhatsApp Cloud API. So inside this we will be able to see many options. Among that we only need to modify two for triggering these templates. That would be template. So by using this you can see a get all templates. We have to select it, and we have to fill these parameters in the header. One would be domain API domain URL and API version. So I will mention the API domain URL and the API version on the video description. You can find both the details on the description. So first I'm going to replace both these. So I'm copying the API domain. Our API domain is http api.wacto.app. I'm copying this and I'm replacing it here. Next would be the API version. I'm copying the API version and I am replacing it here. Next we have to put the token number. You can select this authorization. On that you will be able to see, you should enter the token number here. Token number is nothing but, in the dashboard you will be able to find the API number in the my profile section. So you can see the API key and copy it, and you can paste it here. Once you are done with this, so since it is already in the get option, you have to select send. Through this you will get all the templates. So in here you will see all the templates have been moved here. Once you are done with this, you have to select save here, so that whenever you are coming to the Postman, whatever these pre-interfaces that you have updated here will be saved. After that I'm selecting the messages option here. Among this we can edit any entries. So for example, now I'm going to make the entry in the fourth column from the bottom. So here also we have to fill the same API domain name and the version. So I'm copying the API domain name and the version. and we have to replace the onboarding number here, the mobile number which we have onboarded our chatbot. So I am copying the onboarding number. We have to make sure that this is the onboarding number. After that, we have to paste the authorization key. So once we are done with this, we can save this, so that the next time when we open the Postman, all these interfaces will be here. Once we are done with all this, we can take whichever the template we want from the dashboard and we can trigger it through Postman. For example, so I am choosing this template test 007. So on the template, on the right hand side in the action column, you will be able to find this payload option. You have to select that payload. You will find the URL of this particular template and you have to copy that. Come back to Postman, and in the body we have to remove all this request body. I am removing all this and I am going to paste the request URL which we have copied from the dashboard. So in this we have to fill the required parameters, which would be phone number, and we have to fill the, since it is a document, since it is a template with a document as a header, we have to paste the document URL, PDF URL here, and after that we have to enter the values for the variables. So initially we will enter the phone number of whom this is going to be sent. So I am entering a mobile number with country code. In case if required, we can also enter 2 mobile numbers. So after that, you can see the type as document. So in here we have to enter the PDF URL link. So in case if we have a requirement of sending a PDF as a header, sometimes let it be a bill, let it be a invoice, whatever it is, we have to paste the documents URL here. So in case if it is going to be a CRM, you have to make sure that you have to generate a document URL from your own server. So I am removing this. I am going to paste a document URL from the open source. So I am copying this document URL and I will be pasting it here. And we have to fill values for the variables. So once we have filled everything, we can hit the send button here. Yes, you can see the template is successfully triggered. So if the ID is generated, that means you can take that the template API is successfully triggered. So in this, let us say in case instead of type document, if you are approving a image with if you are approving a template with an image, you have to paste the image URL here. Let's say in case if it is a video, you have to paste the URL of the video here. So this is how it works. Once it is triggered, So you will be able to find the code for this template on the right side. You can copy this whole code and put it in a notepad separately. You can put it in a notepad and you can save this, so that in case, let's say, without even this pre-interfaces, you can directly copy this CURL, and you can just paste it in the header itself, so that the parameters will already be there. You can just change the mobile number, you can just send the hit button. You don't even have to paste the authorization key, because this API itself, the API which was successful, which the code that we copied itself will have the authorization key and everything. You can just hit the send button and you will be able to run it like this. Yeah, it is successful. Like this, we can take whichever CURL we want from the dashboard and we can copy paste it and fill the parameters and you can send it. This is how we trigger a message template CURL through an external source.